Hey everybody, this is Tim Jordan. Hey everybody, Tim Jordan here. Hey everybody, hey everybody, hey everybody, welcome to another Legion Live. Hey everybody, Tim Jordan here. Hey everybody, it's Tim Jordan and welcome to another Legion Live.
And we are talking about Amazon. I know that's shocking.
We look for search volume and then we look for competition.
Counterfeit protection, hijacker protection, brand registry, brand gating, EBC, A+. I'm tired of hearing people talk about how much money they made, especially in the e-commerce business.
Now, I understand that running a business requires balance. We can't always make everything perfect, and the customer is not always right. Sometimes the customers have unrealistic expectations, sometimes the customers are selfish, and we do need to make money. So there is a balance here. But I think that a lot of times we don't consider that perspective enough, and we miss big opportunities, tremendously big opportunities. And it doesn't just have to do with selling an e-commerce product. It can actually have to do with life in general, right? Think about every relationship that you have, your family, your friends, your spouses, your significant other. We always hear the term, like, put yourself in somebody else's shoes, which is great. But sometimes we also need to sit on the toilet seat ourselves and look at the perspective from that person.
Oh my gosh, we're seeing everything blow up for unicorns.
My precious.
And they looked at each other like I was crazy.